Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, you'll learn how to delete a user account in Ubuntu Dedicated Server System. The idea is plain and simple. If you don't need a user account in your Ubuntu Dedicated Server System, you can easily delete that particular user account.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now back to the video.
This video will show you the steps to delete a user account in a very easy process. But first, you need root privileges to delete a user from your Ubuntu Dedicated Server System. But what if you don't have root privileges? Don't worry. You need the superuser privileges to complete the task pane. In this video, you will know how to do it in two ways. First with root privileges, then with superuser privileges. Before that, open putty. Give the IP address. Click open. Give the login username. Press enter. Give the login password. After pressing enter, you have to give the required command. So here I am showing you how to do it with root privileges at first. So type deletion space hyphen remove hyphen home space. Type the username you want to delete in here. So here I am giving the name Steven. Now press enter. And it's completed. It will show you detailed information below the command, as you can see in here, that it has removed the files and the username of Steven. This is how it has removed the home and main spool directories associated with Steven. Now you can do the same with the superuser facilities too. All you have to do is give this following command: sudo space deletion space hyphen remove hyphen home space. Here I'm giving the name, username Navy. Now I have to press enter. All you need to add is sudo before the command we have given in the case of having an Ubuntu Dedicated Server System with root privileges. So as you can see, when you need to have the superuser privileges, then you have to give the sudo command. So after pressing enter, what we have seen is the user account and files of Mary are removed. User account and files are removed in similar manner like what we see in here. The deletion command by default will delete the user without deleting the home directory. But if you want to keep a backup of user files before removing the home directory and any other files, there is also a process to do that. You can add an extra flag along with the deletion command, and it goes like this. Type deletion space hyphen backup space hyphen hyphen remove hyphen home space the username you want to remove. Here I am giving the name Josh. Press enter. Then it will show you additional information in here. You will also see here that a backup file with the name josh.tar has been made in the current working directory. Then the user account and the home directory will be removed likewise, like this, as you can see in here. Interestingly, you can also remove a user account from a group or remove an entire group with the set deletion command. So to remove user account from a group, all you need to do is type del user space the username. You have to put the username in here. So I am giving the name Emma space the group name. Here I am giving the group name employees. And then I press enter. And there is that. It's showing you removing user Emma from root employees. So it's done. If you notice carefully, del user is the opposite command of add user that we have shown you in previous videos. Now to remove an entire group, you need to type del user space hyphen hyphen group space the group name of your choice. Here I am giving the group name staff. And then I'll press enter. So in the additional information below, it has shown that the staff group has been removed. It's done. So there we go. This has been a comprehensive guide to delete or remove a user account in the Ubuntu Dedicated Server System. Additionally, this tutorial video also shows you how to remove a user account while keeping its backup file, remove a user account from a group, and delete an entire group. Hope you have learned extensively about these processes. Thanks for watching.